As Pope Francis beautifully said, Saint Joseph reminds us that those who appear hidden or in the shadows can play an incomparable role in the history of salvation. I want to reflect on a man whose courage was quiet, steady, and deeply moving, Saint Joseph, the one who was chosen by God to guide and protect Mary and Jesus. His strength wasn't in words or grand actions, but in the ways he listened, trusted, and acted with love, even when the path was uncertain. When faced with confusion and fear, Joseph didn't crumble. When he discovered Mary was with the child, he could have walked away. Instead, he listened, not to the noise of the world, but to the whisper of God. His heart became a compass pointing not to the comfort, but to the truth. When he discovered that King Herod wanted to kill baby Jesus, Joseph didn't wait. He took Mary and Jesus and escaped to Egypt. He left behind his home and job and everything he knew, just to keep them safe. He heard no trumpet, wore no crown, but held God's Son as stars looked down. In silence brave, in shadows deep, he guarded dreams while others sleep. Joseph didn't do great things in the eyes of the world, but he did the most important thing. He protected love with love. Joseph was a guardian, not with a sword or a shield, but with hands that worked and spirit that protected. And the most beautiful part, he didn't work miracles, but he protected the miracle himself. Thank you.